Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the boys' room, what it currently looks like, and how we make it over. It's more of like a declutter and organize video. They have so much stuff, and as you can see, the closet is jam-packed. I'm going to try to minimize everything and just get very organized so that the boys can play in their room like they used to. Alright, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's get to it. All right. Oh my gosh. Jordan, no. That's my paper that tells me what's in there. Yeah, we're just kind of spread it out. Newborn to 2T. I have all these clothes to separate and see what I can fit. As you can see, some of them already have clothes in them. And this one's empty, that one's empty. I have these two bags. You know, now that Jalen's getting older, I have more and more clothes to put away. And I'm not ready to give them up yet because we might have another baby. Well, we are gonna have another baby, but it might be a boy. So I need to wait for when that time comes. And then once I know, huh, Jay? Brother or sister? I'm sure he always says brother, but he doesn't understand. But I'm gonna work on getting this all sorted and put into their correct bins. Well, I am dreading this pile of clothes. These are all of Jalen's hand-me-downs that are now going to Jordan. So I gotta find a place for all these items in his closet. It's quite a bit. I already got rid of or boxed up all the clothes that they no longer fit. As you saw before, that is good. That is a lot off my shoulders. And now I have to get rid of these off the bed because we are putting the bed away as well since my mom and sister aren't here. It probably won't be till maybe a year that they come out again. It's just once a year for the most part. And it's just taking up a lot of space. As much as I love the bed being in here, I'd rather them have space to play with for the time being. So I wanted to tackle the clothes on the bed first, and the way I went about it was I grabbed like all the pajamas or all the pants, and then I went to each one of those drawers and then I took everything that was out, went through them, and then organized it. And that helped me keep my sanity because there's just so many clothes. And not to mention, this was so hard to do with the kids. As you can see, they both wanted to be in there with me. I mean, it was super adorable, but it made it very hard to get anything done. And it took this way longer than it needed to be. But I love my babies. They're so cute. I find that folding any of the clothes like this in about 4 rows helps me get the most out of the drawers. I do eventually want to get dividers, but you could just really see how everything looks so much more tidy. It also helps me to easily choose what I'm going to pick for the kids to wear every day. Trying to get work done. They found the drum set. You guys have watched us. You remember there was a huge drum set in their room. It's now right here in the closet. Whoa, Jordan. Let me see. Jordan. Put it on. Put your hat on. Yay. Oh. So again, here is the closet before, and I'm going to be showing you some afters and befores as well, just so that you can remember. But I really did my best. If the drum set wasn't in there, it would look even better. However, it's just, you know, we only have a 2-bedroom house, and our garage is so jam-packed. So we're making this work until we decide if we're going to build onto our house. We have not decided when that's going to happen. But I am really happy the way this turned out. I feel like I got the most out of it. If you guys have any ideas of how I can get even more out of these shelvings, please let me know in the comments below.
You guys are the best. So here are the boys' names. I really do love the wood grain look, but I just don't think you're going to be able to see it very good on the wall. So I am going to spray paint these both white. And when I did order them, they're in the exact same font, except they were, but I noticed that they look a little different. But it's okay, they still look really great. I'm really happy with them, and I would order again, 100%. All right, so this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna be using Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch, and it's 2x ultra coverage paint and primer. It's good for wood, metal, plastic, and more. So I'm gonna do this, see how it looks in one coat, and then I might do it a second time. All right, let's see how this goes. Now, I could have bought these already like painted, like they paint them, but I think it was like $20 or $30 more, and I'm like, I can just do it myself. So that is what I'm doing. All about saving money, guys. I also want to make sure that I get the sides because it's going to be seen from different parts of the room. So big difference, I love it. So I was saying that these, I believe, if I remember correctly, they're for 100-pound. Like, I'm just going to extra precautions because they're gonna be above our kids' beds. So I think these, I believe they're for 100 pounds of weight when you hang a picture, and this is nowhere near that. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get it done.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to taking the bed apart. I've been wanting to do this for a while. My mom hasn't been with us for, I don't know, at least a month, or maybe almost 2 at this point. She's back in California, and now we have no need for this bed. So I want to give the kids some more room to play. I'm going to break this whole bed down. We're going to put it away and change up the room.
Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you.
I really love that giraffe picture, but I think for the room to flow better, I'm going to put in that beautiful mountain picture that we got from Leavenworth. And let me tell you guys, it just totally changed that area. I love it. I still have my giraffe picture because that's me, my husband, and the boys. I will one day hang it up again. I just need to get another frame for it.
You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
So I just fixed this up as I showed you guys. I switched the books around because I wanted the board books on top because Jordan's always getting the more delicate books and tearing them apart like this one. So I was talking to Joelle, I was like, what if we like got rid of this and we put all these books in here? Because this is kind of like a catch-all. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all this, but I think it would be a really cool idea. So let's test it out. Jay, help me get everything out. Get everything out. Go, go, go. Yay! And here's the big reveal. I decided to keep the boys' beds there because that's the main wall and that's where I'm hanging their names. However, one day I might change it and maybe put one of their beds on the other side of the wall, especially when they get older and their beds change. However, we do plan on, like I said, building onto the house, and eventually they may have their own rooms, at least when they're older. But I just love how everything came out. I love that the bookshelf is just, it makes more sense now being in that shelving unit. I love the pictures. Everything just looks so much more tidy. The boys love it. In this drawer, I have a row for Jordan's diapers and Jalen's pull-ups. This is more diapers, and then bath time. Can't have enough of that. And then beanies, underwear for Jay, and then extra sheets and bedding. But I really just love how everything came out, and I really hope this inspires you guys to just get in there, get your hands dirty. I know it's a lot of work, but being organized just makes life easier, and you're not so stressed out looking at a mess. Believe me, I know their room was chaotic for a long time, and I finally feel at ease. I can't do it, you guys. I know the giraffe doesn't make sense, but I got that for Jalen, my first son's baby shower, and I just can't get rid of it. He still loves it. He says hi to him. His name is Rafi, if you're wondering. It's so crazy to think that Jalen is now in a toddler bed. He loves his blankets. This is him when he was a baby. As you can see, there's a ton of things that we still have and we've handed down to Jordan. I love everything, and I love that we were able to do that. But we just want to make everything personal for them. So there are certain things that are for them strictly, like that is a little lovey blanket that I got off Etsy. For Jay, Jordan doesn't have one yet, but he does have a blankie my mom made him. Now to show my little love bugs, they have not seen it fully completed. They were so excited, just like me. I love how Jalen wanted to hold his hand, and you can just tell instantly. Jordan's like, let go. He loved the open, wide space to just run around, both of them, and that is probably the best part of this whole thing. They spend every day in their room, and it makes me so happy and gives me so much joy. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.